Welcome to my video of me showing love to my golden Land Cruiser. I hope you'll enjoy it. So today I have a quick video for you about the rear mudguards, how to separate them from the rear bumper in case you want to remove the rear bumper for repaint or whatever purposes. And the second one, how to completely remove the mudguard off the car. So yeah, it's relatively easy. Let's get to it. So don't forget to buy gloves. Keep your hands clean. So let's start with separating the rear mudguard from the rear bumper. And the first thing you want to do is to remove this clip with the Phillip head. Just unscrew it a little and then you can just pull it out. And then you want to push the clip from the top out. There you go. Next you want to unbolt these screws. You could use a Phillip head or a ratchet with a socket. I prefer the socket. Now before you start to yank the rear bumper from the rear of the car to remove it, there's still one hidden clip which is located here. It works like a hook that hooks the rear bumper to the mudguard. To separate it, you need just to push the bumper with your finger to the front of the car and like catch the mudguard so it doesn't move. There you go, that's the clip. So after you separate this clip from the mudguard and the rear bumper, now the rear bumper is completely off the mudguard. Now what's left that keep the mudguard attached to the car body are two screws and one bolt. It's hidden inside. And I forgot to mention, if you want to use the socket for these screws, it's 10mm. Same for the bolt inside. Now I recommend starting with the bolt that hides inside because usually these can be rusty. So loosen the bolt a little but don't remove it, and then start working on these screws. There you go. I got it off finally. Notice the difference between the length of the screws. So these long screws are here, 1, 2, and 3, and the shorter ones are the two that sit here. So yeah, I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. Keep your Land Cruisers happy and don't forget to cherish yourself. Bye.